Hi, we're back with me and my son here, Max. We're going to be doing another experiment with lemons. Last time we cleaned some of the pennies that were oxidized and made them a lot shinier. This time we're going to take a whole bunch of pennies, put them in 2 lemons worth of lemon juice, and we're going to then scour these nails and put them in there for about 15 minutes. And the trick is, what's going to happen is the copper will form a solution called copper citrate, which will then transfer onto these nails and plate it with copper. So that's the experiment. We'll see how it goes.
What's copper?
Copper's on the penny.
Oh.
That's what coats the penny.
That color right
Copper.
there, that's copper.
Yeah, that's the coat of copper.
It's a type of metal.
Cool, huh? All right, you gonna help me put all the pennies in?
Yep, I'll help it after. I love pennies. I love pennies and.
No more sticking them up your nose, right?
Yeah. Hey, I did put these in.
Not yet.
Oh.
We gotta clean those first. These gotta sit in here for about 3 minutes, so we'll take the 3 minutes to
I'll put the rest in.
Okay, please do.
Let's go.
Okay, so we put all the pennies in with the lemon juice. They're sitting there. We gotta let it sit for about 3 minutes, and while we're waiting, we're gonna take the scour pad and we're gonna scrub on these nails for a little bit. So George, while you're playing with that nail and that lemon, Max, could you go ahead and start scouring that one? Do you know what it means to scour it? Here, you just take it and you just start scrubbing real hard. Like that.
Oh.
Okay, we finished scouring the nails. They're nice and clean now. If you guys could go ahead and just drop it in here, and we'll let them sit for 15 minutes.
Heidi. Me first.
Okay, you too now. Okay, we'll let it sit for 15 minutes and we'll see if we get the copper plated nails.
Short.
All right, we're back. We had put the nails in and we waited for 15 minutes, but it still was not done. So now we're 24 hours later and we'll see what we got.
Ooh, looks like we got some shine in it.
That's a very coppery nail.
So we
Yep.
got a copper plated nail.
Yep.
There's one.
And now let's try to get the yellow one out. Copper nails.
And there's the other one. So the experiment worked, didn't it?
What do the pennies look like?
And the pennies are all clean, huh, George? Can you sit down, please, buddy?
Just lacking some copper.
I think he's excited. You want to hold on? You want to hold on one of the nails?
Oh.
Yeah.
Sit down then. Here you go.
Copper. They're all copper.
They got some of the nails out, the pennies out. I mean, they're all pretty clean. Actually,
Looks like they maybe were laying against each other and didn't.
yeah, they may not have. Don't poke that at anybody.
It seems some of the nails didn't work.
So we got some pretty clean pennies now, huh?
But not all clean. Some of them are dirty.
All right, so it was a success.